Chaim. And hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of February, we're exploring Denmark. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning a tongue twister that comes from a Danish folk song and nursery rhyme. And it's made up of magical words, kind of like abracadabra. But let's listen and hear how it goes. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Good. Now let's break that down and learn it together. So to learn this magical incantation, we're going to break it down and just learn the words first, and then we'll add the rhythm, and then we'll add the melody. So the words are, repeat after me, Simsalabim, Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu, Bamba Saladu, Saladim, Saladim. Good. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Good. A little faster. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready, you go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Even faster, let's try. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready, you try. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Great! Should we try speaking that in rhythm and speeding it up a little bit? All right, so we'll start off slow and then we'll slowly kind of increase and get faster and faster, okay? So here's our tempo. 1, 2, 2, 3. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Good, ready again. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Good, let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. A little faster. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Get ready, let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Even faster, 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 let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Great! That's pretty fast, isn't it? All right, now let's put the melody to that. So it sounds like this. Ready? Listen. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Did you hear it go up on do? Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Can you sing that back to me? A 1, a 2, 2, 3. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Great. Should we do the same thing where we kind of slowly speed it up? Okay. We'll start off slow. Ready? A 1, a 2, 2, 3. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready, let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready again. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready again. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Even faster, let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Ready again. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Even faster, let's go. 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 Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Even Even faster, let's go. Simsalabim, Bamba Saladu Saladim. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Farewell.